In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to connect your Xbox controller to your iPad for Roblox. So let's get started. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure your controller supports Bluetooth. So most Xbox One controllers and all Xbox Series X or S controllers work fine. So start by opening settings on your iPad and go to Bluetooth. And you want to make sure that this is turned on. And another way you could do is just by scrolling down from the top right of part of your iPad and make sure Bluetooth is turned on from here. Now you want to go to your Xbox controller and start by pressing the Xbox button. Let me show you that. So I have a picture of it here. You want to go ahead and press your Xbox button to make sure that your controller is turned on. And now you want to turn on your Xbox controller into its pairing mode by pressing the button on the top part of the controller, which is right here. It's a very small button on the top part of your controller. You want to go ahead and hold it till your Xbox is in pairing mode. And how do you know when it's in pairing mode? You know that when this Xbox logo starts flashing and blinking with a certain light, and once that's happening, that means that your controller is in pairing mode. And now you can just go ahead to your Bluetooth settings again. So just scroll down from here, go ahead to your Bluetooth settings, and under other devices you should find Xbox wireless controller option coming here. You just want to go ahead and tap on it, and after a few seconds the controller will connect. And when the Xbox logo stops flashing and stays solid, the connection is successful, and at this point the controller is fully paired with your iPad. So now you can just go ahead and open Roblox right here. So yeah, now you can just go ahead and open Roblox on your iPad, and Roblox automatically detects connected controllers. So there's usually nothing extra you need to enable in game. And well, most of the games support controllers, so you'll be able to move your character, control the camera, and interact using the Xbox controller buttons and joysticks. Keep in mind that not all Roblox games support controllers, so if it doesn't work in a specific game, that's a game limitation rather than a problem with your setup. If the controller doesn't respond right away, try closing and reopening Roblox or turning Bluetooth off and back on. Also remember that if you want to connect the controller to an Xbox console later, you may need to pair it again or connect it with a USB cable. Anyways, once connected, using an Xbox controller on iPad makes Roblox feel much more like a console experience. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll